everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video, I did some good old Alabama white sauce for you. In the last video I did of the spicy vinegar barbecue sauce, one of the comments came up in topics of doing a white sauce, so I figured I'd throw you my spin on white sauce. So I start off with some Golden Eagle here, and if you don't have it, you can use honey and it'll work still pretty good. And it's a half a cup of it, then a half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then there'll be a cup of mayonnaise, not no Miracle Whip junk. Then it's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon and a half of horseradish sauce, and then it's a mixture here. This is a pretty neat little spice. It's just a black and red pepper mix, and if you don't have it, you can mix it on your own. It's a tablespoon worth of it, and then it's a tablespoon worth of minced garlic, and then a teaspoonful of salt, and then that's all that goes in my white sauce here. And then it's just simply throwing it all together in a big old bowl here, and then just whipping it good and getting it all mixed up and get your mayonnaise all well and combined through. And then I pour it up in a pint jar full, and it fills it up pretty full, so you may have to watch out when you putting it in there you don't overflow. And once you get it in there, it's good to let it sit overnight in the fridge so all those flavors can kind of come together better, and it's more enjoyable on the turkey or chicken or flip-flop or whatever else you want to eat it on, because it's good on about anything. But anyways, that's my spin on some Alabama white sauce. I love y'all. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.